Now here is my foundational chains. So right now I'm going to start. So I'm going to insert into the 8th loop 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I insert in the 8th loop with single crochet. Can you see? So right now I'm going to chain 3 1 2 3. So I yarn over, I insert into the 4th loop 1 2 3 4 with triple crochet. I chain another 3 1 2 3. So I count 4 again at the base 1 2 3 4. So I insert in the 4th loop with single crochet. So I proceed again. I chain 3 1 2 3. I yarn over, I count 4 at the base with triple crochet. One, two, three. 1 2 3 4. Single crochet. 1 2 3. I insert a triple crochet. 1 2 3. Single crochet. 1 2 3. One, two, three. In the 4th loop, it's single crochet. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. As you can see, I've completed the round. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3 1 2 3. Haven't chained 3, I chain another 3 1 2 3, making 6. So I yarn over, so I insert here with triple crochet. I move into this mid loop. And I proceed into that corner, triple crochet. So I proceed, I chain 6 again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I yarn over, I insert in this loop with triple crochet. I move into this loop, triple crochet, I chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move into this loop, triple crochet, sorry. I move into this loop, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is how I'm going to go till I round it up on this row. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3. I yarn over and insert into the midpoint here with triple crochet. I chain another 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert into the mid loop with single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Insert in the mid loop here with triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. So I insert into the mid loop with single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Mid loop, single crochet. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round up this row. Now, as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I yarn over, I insert here with triple crochet. I insert in this loop, triple crochet, in the corner, triple crochet. I chain another 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I insert with triple crochet. In this loop, triple crochet, triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple crochet. In this loop, triple crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple crochet. You see, so this is how I'm going to go till I round it up. Now, as you can see, I've come to the conclusion of this video. Can you see the pattern? Very beautiful and unique. Can you see? So if you like this video, kindly click on the liking button to appreciate this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, just click on the subscribe button below and you hit on the notification bell so that you can have access to my videos. I thank you all for always being there for me till I come your way again. Bye for now.